Hey everyone, what's up? On the Weller's channel today, I'll show you how to make your Steam activity private. To do this, we need to open Steam and click on our profile. Here we need to click on Edit Profile and then Privacy Settings, like so. And overall, this is where our game activity details are. Yeah, you can make it fully private or just visible to friends only. And this checkbox, by the way, lets you hide your in-game hours. Yeah, exactly. So even if people can see what you're playing, that's a pretty cool feature. Feel free to try it out. And if you want to hide everything completely, click on my profile, hit private, and that's it. Your profile will just show as a blank page, and yeah, basically just your name, if they can even find it. So your profile will then hide your friends, your achievements, your showcase level, comments, and even the groups you're in. In short, everything. That's all for this one. This was Wellers. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.